Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. Today we got a huge TEMU haul. I may or may not have already gotten into it because I wanted to wear a couple things. We do have a lot of winter sweaters in here and long sleeve shirts. So if you're interested in a try-on haul, then tune on in. Okay guys, so let's get right into this because I have a lot of things that we got to get to. So the first thing that I got was this sweater. I hope everyone had a happy New Year's, by the way. Happy 2024. Can you believe we're in 2024? That's ridiculous. Anyways, I tried this on the other day and it smells like my perfume, and I may or may not have already have makeup on it, but I just got a long sleeve. I think this is called a balloon sleeve, where it cinches in at your wrist. It is very high neck, high neck, just a very pretty sweater. Let me see how everything costs so I can give you guys prices. Just need to have my TEMU app open at all times for you. So this was $12.98. This is stripped colored block crew neck and large, 8 to 10, and let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so this one I like. I actually like a lot. This one is very warm. I do think you need an undershirt under this, but I like the colors. I like how it cuts off to the black. I do need an undershirt for this because it's a little bit itchy without the undershirt. This is sophisticated. This is me, and I really like it. It is a high neck though, so just be careful with that. If you don't like high necks, I don't know, have a hair in here. If you don't like high necks, you're not gonna like this, but I think it's cute, and I like it. And I'm keeping this one. Okay, next thing I got was this long sleeve. I thought it was going to be very cute, especially for work. It looks like a child's long sleeve, but I swear it stretches. Like, it is very stretchy, so it's going to work. I do like this detail of the neck, kind of like you're wearing a shawl on top, but it's still part of the shirt. And I really like the material that it is ribbed. It's in this oatmeal color. I believe this was large. It doesn't have the size on here. It was $9.49, and it is in the color khaki, which I think it's more like an oatmeal color than khaki. And it is a large, so let's go ahead and try it on. This is a little tight, especially right here. It's a little bit tight, but I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't know if I love it. If I return another item from this clothing haul, I think I might return this just because this is like digging into me in the back. And I kind of wish it didn't have this, or if this was a little more like not as close. I don't know. I think it's just, it's tight from here. It's fine from here. It's tight from back here. Back here is where it's giving me the headache. But I don't hate it. Like, I don't hate it. I just don't love it. So let me know. Actually, I'm very confused. Let me know what you think, because I feel like eventually this is going to hurt my back and it's going to give me a big headache. Okay, another sweater. This is women's sweater lantern sleeve striped crew neck color block in this orange color, orange red. I got it in a large, and I think it's going to fit me perfect. More like on the medium side, but I think it's going to fit perfectly. It's still very stretchy. As you can see, it has a cool little pattern on it and a balloon sleeve, which I love these balloon sleeves, and then it always cinches in into the wrist right here. And I think it's really cute. I think it's super soft too. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, this I feel like I look like I'm from the 70s, a 70s sitcom show. I thought these colors would complement me, but it's kind of like washing me out because of my hair color. And it's kind of itchy. Like, not even it's really itchy. Like, really itchy. Hey guys, so my goal for 2024 is to post at least one video a week. I'm hoping for 2 videos a week. Oh, it's been a hard end of the year. It really has. And I'm trying to do better. I really am, but I'm struggling mentally. And when I'm depressed, I shop. So more content for you. Okay, this is, I don't remember. I honestly don't remember a lot of this, what I do when I black out shopping. I'm hoping it's a long sleeve. It is a long sleeve. Oh, this is actually very cute. It's like a crisscross long sleeve. I don't know if you could tell, but it is a crisscross long sleeve. It looks more pale in the camera. I think it's because of the purples that I have in the background, but it is more yellow. Like, it's very yellow leaning. It is very soft, like super soft material. I don't know if you could tell. Super stretchy. I really like this actually. I think this would be perfect for work because it's kind of like a wrap around long sleeve. And this is solid ruched super ply neck t-shirt, casual long sleeve top for spring and fall women's clothing in the size large. It is $5 now, and I got it for $7.57, and it's $5.58 right now. You know what? Temu has this thing where if it prices out lower after you buy it, you get your money back. And I'm gonna go ahead and request that as soon as I'm done with this video. Let's go try it on. Okay, so this is the Crisscross one that I was telling you about, and I know it looks a little strange, but I feel like, oh, I don't know if I like this right here. You know what? Cinched up like this, you're not going to be able to tell. You're not going to be able to tell. I actually think this is really warm, but I don't know how I feel about it on my body type. Let me go look at a bigger mirror. You know what? I think I like it. It's different with this, right? It's giving me some Asian vibes here, but it's very warm and it's very soft, and that's why I'm just inclined to keep it, because I feel like this would be really good for these winter months, and then I can just wear like a sweater over it, and I think it'll be cute because it's a very neutral pale yellow color. It's very washed out because of the lights, but it's pale yellow, like it is very yellow. So I hope you could tell the color, but I think it's cute. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know. Okay, more sweaters. I really didn't have any of these sweaters, and I need them for work because it is freezing in the office where I work at. Freezing. I work in the 3rd floor, and like when you climb up and down the stairs, it's cold. This one is cropped. This is the shortest one. I think this is going to be super cropped, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear it for work because I don't know if you could tell it's super short, but I do like the material. It's super soft. It's this really pretty blue color, which I really love this color, and I like the color blocking that it has. It's like a misshapen pattern, you see, and then it's also the balloon sleeve. It's very cute. I think I got it in a large, but this looks more like a medium. Like it looks a little tiny. It really does. $10.97 in the size large, and yeah, I got it in the large. So let's go try it on. Okay, this is cute. Look at this. Oh, for work, this one is gonna be perfect. I freaking love this. This is adorable. Wait, hold on. Let's pose. I like it. It's soft. It's nice. I will definitely wear this to work with some black leggings or something. It's cute. I like it. It's cute. I'm so excited for this. This is one of the items that I've been wanting to open and try because it just seems so fluffy and soft. And look at how fluffy this is. Do you see it? You see how fluffy it is? So this is a sweater. It is a sweater jacket, and on the inside it's very soft too, so that's the inside lining, so it's going to keep you very warm. It has button details. It's a brown camo button, and it just snaps on and off. Yeah, and it's actually pretty cold outside right now. So that's how it looks like. You see it? I'm gonna turn around for you on this chair. Really soft. I really like it, and I'm super warm in it, but I'm a little too warm under these lights, so I'm gonna take it off. But definitely will use. I might use it tonight because it is New Year's Eve tonight when I'm filming, and I think this would be really good to wear outside. Okay, I know I already showed you, but let's just try this on very fast. So yeah, so here it is. Isn't it adorable? It's so freaking cute. It's so soft. It's so like, this is one of the softest things I've ever felt in my life. It's so soft. It's so fluffy and soft. Oh, warm. We got my favorite color, purple, if you haven't noticed. I wanted just like a regular waffle long sleeve with this color because I don't feel like I have anything color, and it's just gonna be just like a regular long sleeve shirt that I could wear to work specifically. I can wear an undershirt underneath and then wear this. It's gonna be perfect. It is that waffle material. This is in the size 0XL, which I think it might be a little big, but it's kind of oversized, so I don't hate it. I don't hate the oversizedness, and it's a little thin, so I think I will need an undershirt if I wear it in cold days, or if it's a little warmer I could still wear it. And this is in the size 12 0XL in the color lavender for $10.48. Yeah, let's go try it on. Okay, so obviously I need a bra with this other than my little pasties, but like, this is cute. I like this. I like the color. I think it's washing me out just a little bit, but I feel like in real life it looks a little bit different than the lights. And it's oversized. It's very comfy. You can wear this to work. It's gonna look cute. Yeah, it's a good length too. The material, it's waffle material. I like it. I like this. Okay, what is this? Oh, I don't, is it weird that this, and I have like three other shirts maybe, and it's all the black I have nothing but color, and I want to get more into black. I feel like black really suits my hair color right now. It suits my skin tone, and I don't know why I don't wear more black, but I feel like I should. This is just a, see this is a good size. It's not super, I mean, it's stretchy, but it's not super oversized. It is not a balloon, it's just like a straight kind of thing. It's super warm, but I feel like this will be very see-through. I can see you right now. I can see the little viewfinder. It's very see-through, so I will need to wear an undershirt underneath, which is perfectly fine. I have a lot of tank tops and undershirts. And this was for $11, and I got it in the size large. So let's go try it on. Okay, so this one's just the very basic black one, which I like because I don't have anything that's black like this, so I think I'm gonna keep it just to keep it as a staple. But I do want to say it's a little bit itchy, just a little bit, so I do need an undershirt. I think with an undershirt I'll be fine. I won't feel it, I'll be fine. Then there is the back. It's like the perfect length. It's a good material. See the material? It's very nice. It's cute. I told you I got a lot of sweaters, so there you go. If you're looking for sweaters, Temu's your place for inexpensive sweaters. And these are all the stuff that I'm gonna wear to work, and I'm actually gonna put all this stuff away and get rid of some of the sweaters that I have that I don't think the colors suit me. I feel like the purples, the blues, the blacks, the bright pinks, I feel like the more cooler tones that I have on fit me a little bit better. And not necessarily, actually jewel tones do fit me too, but some of the colors don't fit me. Like the pale colors don't really fit me, and I have a lot of pale stuff. This one is super cute. Do you see it? It has a butterfly patterns. I don't know if you can tell, but I love butterflies. It has butterfly patterns everywhere. Look at how adorable that is. That is so freaking cute. This is my favorite so far. This one's my favorite. And it's not so super long. It's a little cropped. Look at the detail. Look at the detail on the sweater. It's like, there it goes. Look at the detail. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. How much was this? This is a win already. This, and it feels really soft too. This is $10.48, blue black. The blue black color, because they do not have colors. They only have one color. Butterfly crew neck sweater, casual long sleeve sweater for all in a size large. I am so excited to try it on. Oh, you guys, I love this. Wait, it can be like over the shoulder kind of thing. Okay, hold on. This is cute. Or it can just be like this. This is awesome. This is a keep. I'm keeping this. I love this. This is amazing. Look at the butterflies. Butterflies on the back. This is adorable. This is very warm as well. Like, I freaking love this. Cute. Okay, I'm going to show you what looks really cheap in a little bit. Before I do, I want to show you another thing that I got that I've already worn. So, warning. I got slippers. I love them. Obviously, they're butterflies. They're super comfy. They're very sturdy, and I highly recommend slippers from Temu. They're super soft. They have cushion on the inside, kind of like memory foam. I wear them everywhere. I think those are my third pair that I got from Temu. I wear them out a lot because I literally live in slippers at home. I got them an 8.5. I'm a 7.5. I went a size up because they are a little snug. So if you are gonna get them a size higher. And those slippers were $7.99. Like, worth it because of the sole. You can go outside and it's not super thin like some of the slippers that you get at Walmart or Target, and it's the same price. Go to Temu, you get better quality. That's crazy, right? You get better quality at Temu. This I'm returning. This is a ugly pattern. I'm gonna pop up photo on the screen how it looks like. Do you see this material? It's like a very plaid, nice material. It looks a little thick, has some texture to it. Well, this is saying it's leggings. Do you see how this looks? Am I crazy? Does this look ugly? Do you think this would look good for work? Some work leggings. I mean, I do need some leggings for work because I think I would be very comfy in this, but I don't like the ones with the bands like this because they usually hurt my back. It's kind of weird. I wish it didn't have a band in a way. And it has like fake buttons. You see the buttons right there? They're kind of like, I thought this was going to be textured. Like, I thought it was going to be a legging, but a very thick textured legging, and this just feels very cheap, like very cheap. So I honestly might return these. And the good thing about Temu is that they have a 90-day return, so if you don't like it, you can always return it, and it's free returns. And they do price matches, so like if stuff goes on sale after you buy it, they'll give you the refund of whatever it is. Go try it on, I guess. These are the ugliest pants I've ever worn in my life. Oh, what is this? First of all, it gives me weird bumps everywhere. I don't know if you can tell, but there's weird bumps everywhere. It's so weird because this part is not as compressing as you want it to be. And then it has a very thin band right here that snaps. It's ugly material. It feels like I'm wearing a swimsuit on the bottom half. And it gives me no shape. Like, what is that? What is that? I'm gonna return the pants. I'm gonna return them. They're ugly. They're literally the ugliest pants I've ever worn in my life. They're so ugly. So ugly. Last thing is this. This is super thin. You can see me, can't you? That is so thin. It's so thin. I don't like this material. I don't know if you can, well, you can't feel it. Can you hear it? It's so scratchy. And it's that material that like everything is gonna catch to it. Like every lint, every hair. Oh my god, I have a dog right now. She's a little sick, my poor baby. She's a little old. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, but anyways, shedding a lot right now and like the hair is just gonna go everywhere. I like the shape of it. I think it's a cute shape. I'm gonna see how it fits me, but right now I might just return this because this doesn't look that great. And I think this was this one, so I'm gonna put it back in here just in case I need to return it. I don't think I'll return. I think these two I might return, but let's try this on. Let's try it on. Okay, so I was gonna try the black one on, but it doesn't even fit my arms. Remember how I said this is a weird material? It doesn't fit my arms because there's no stretch to this. So it's very weird. This is a no. I'm returning this. Okay guys, and that was my TEMU haul where I got a bunch of sweaters for the winter because I don't really have, I mean I have jackets, but I don't have like sweaters where I could wear to work. I really don't. I don't have a lot of long sleeve either because I live in Southern California, but for some reason it's a little chilly and I don't think I can handle it right now. And I work in an office where it's a little cold. Like last year I worked in a different office because we switched buildings and that office wasn't as cold as this office. This office is freezing, so I need some sweaters. So yeah, so thank you so much for coming. Let me know what your favorite item was. I love this right here, the sweater with the butterflies. Amazing. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. Oh, and the slippers. I love the slippers. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe. My name is Sally. Thank you so much for coming. Please give this video a like. It really does help out with the algorithm. Please comment down below. If you don't know what to comment, just comment algorithm or comment like, hey, nice to see you. I would love to chat with you down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. Click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified about my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.